Hey everyone, it's great to see you. We have a fascinating object we are looking at today, a plant. And I tell you, Pickle and Pumpkin think this is the best thing in the world. Oh, really, boys, right here. Oh, well. It is spring, and one of the signs of spring is that we start to see these adorable willow branches. These are pussy willows, available maybe at a local nursery. If you're lucky enough to have a pussy willow tree, maybe you can go outside and cut some of these. But yes, pussy willows are actually cut from a type of willow tree, and there are different varieties of them. At this point, we have these little catkins, these little fuzzy little pieces that are just so sweet, and we use them for decorating. Now, if these were in your yard, this part would actually turn into the flower of the pussy willow, and all of a sudden you'd start to see these little yellow points come out, and they turn into the flower. Not only are there lots of different types of pussy willow that are more traditional like that, there is black pussy willow. I think this is fascinating. Oh, we have white cat hair already in here. And we get these bundled together, and they're not kept in water. So when you decide that you are going to decorate with these, you have a choice whether you put water in them or not, but it is greatly going to affect what happens to your pussy willows. When you put pussy willow branches or any type of willow branches into water, willows root very, very easily. So they will start growing as a new willow tree, and you'd have them in the water, and you would start to notice that down the bottom, sure enough, you're going to see some roots growing, and you would eventually start to see these pussy willows not stay looking like this. They would then start to get the yellow flowers on them. Now, that's not the look that I'm going for. I don't want to be growing tons of willow trees in my yard, so I'm going to keep these dried. And now if you have them dried, some people even save these year to year. If I look at the branches, some of them are more green than others. Those are the ones that would probably root the fastest, but it's amazing how pussy willows will just go for it. So don't feel like when you get a bunch of these pussy willow branches that you need to put them in water. They are perfect just the way they are. And you're going to notice that I'm mixing in these black pussy willows with our lighter color. I think they're going to stand out beautifully. And a lot of times these are just great to keep around your house. Now, if you're doing an outside spring floral arrangement and you are looking for a good tall centerpiece for that, these can be kept outside too. Your little catkins here, of course, will not weather as well. So I tend to think this is a great indoor decoration. If you are looking for an outdoor tall type of branch for this time of year, you might go with a curly willow. And a curly willow, also another type of willow tree, will have branches that do exactly that. They curl, and you can cut those off, but they don't have these same fuzzy type of catkins that are on here. Now, at one of my houses, we did have a pussy willow tree, and the pussy willow tree was known for making a huge mess. So do be aware that should you decide to root in your own pussy willow tree, that there are benefits to it, but be prepared to have a little bit of yard cleanup as a result of that. And these little catkins are also just fabulous if you have children to make little creatures out of. So I have some that have fallen off here, and they look like little tiny miniature mice. I could see having so much fun with them. So that is my little spiel today on pussy willow branches, and hopefully if you're out and about, you'll see some of these for sale. They're pretty expensive this year, I have to tell you. So if you're getting them, save them until next year. Keep them dry, put them somewhere safe, and see if they can last 2 years for you. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.